Hi viewers, today I'm going to do an unboxing of Ascher bike light. I got this from Amazon during the Prime deals for 17 bucks. Let's start with unboxing. So in the box you have the front light and the back, and you have the chargers, and you have the manual. Both those front and back lights are rechargeable. You don't need to replace any batteries. That's a good thing. You can just charge it with the any micro USB charger. That's good. And both of them is having 4 different light settings. One is bright, and another one is lesser bright, then blinking and fast blinking. It's same for both front and back, and it's both of them is LED. So if you want to test it, so I can show you how bright it is. Even during the daylight, it's super bright. This is the first mode, this is the second mode, this is the third mode, and this is the fourth mode, and that's the off. And same thing for the backlight too. This is the one, this is low, this is blinking, this is rapid blinking, and off. So both of them is having a USB charging port on the behind. You can see it's the standard micro USB port on the back. So you can see there, and this is the indicator. This is a power button as well as the indicator. If the battery is low, this will turn into red. If you charge it, if it is completely charged, it will turn into green. The same goes for this one. So we'll be having a smaller LED here to show whether it is charged or fully charged. If it is charging, it will turn into red. If it is fully charged, it will be turned into green. So this is pretty cool. Removing or putting it is very easy. So you just release the lock and push it in or push it out. So it's pretty much easy to put, and it has a multiple loops, loop strap. So, and it is a flexible one, so you can stretch it. Even if your handlebar is bigger, you can still put it on. So it's cool. It's bright, and yeah, I have to say how durable it is. So yeah, that's about it. I like it. So if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.